Well, here's my first tree climb. I don't know how far I'm up, but this is the backyard. There's Alyssa's Jeep.